Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically find your Instagram algorithm and how you can post it on your Instagram stories. So I've seen a lot of people post about their Instagram algorithm, so I'm like, why not make a tutorial just in case none of your friends have posted about it? Because if your friends have posted about it, you are able to just select look at my algorithm on Instagram. But if your friends on Instagram have not posted anything about it and you want to, here's what you can do. So you are going to select the Reels tab here, and you are then going to select this little button on the bottom right corner of your screen. It says your algorithm. Lately, you've been into competitive gaming, kids' digital style, and global social issues. I think kids' digital style is another algorithm theme keyword for Roblox. And then competitive gaming, obviously Valorant, and global social issues, obviously Palestine. And obviously every genocide that's happening in this world. I follow Miss Rachel, and I know Macklemore isn't really something, but he does advocate for Palestine, so that's why I follow him. That's why a lot of my reels are connected to my algorithm. But you can select what you want to see more of. Okay, I'm not here for that. But to post it on your story, you're just going to press the arrow button here on the top right corner of your screen. And here you can then post it on your story. You can change the background of it as well if you'd like to, like this. And then post it on your story. Just press your story here. It says what you want to see more of: Valorant champions, Roblox fashion, Taylor Swift, human rights, London food scene, paper X, dress to impress. Let's do Taylor Swift. Oh, you can add more. Okay. What should I add more? Sabrina Carpenter. I actually want to see more of her. Let's do less of this one. Move to see less. Motherhood, because I'm not a mother yet. The city, because I don't really care. I'm just kidding. London food scene, because I don't live in London. And Roblox fashion, I don't really care for it. It's just dress to impress that I care about. And that's it. You can edit your algorithm while you're at it as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I don't know if your algorithm can this text can change. Maybe over the week it will, after you've changed your activity. I don't know. I don't really open Instagram as much anymore because I get insecure. All right, but that's pretty much how you can find your algorithm on Instagram and how you can post it on your stories. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.